Those exoplanets, which include Proxima b, can also presently be hiding alien lifestyles. However, finding them is extraordinarily tough. What units this exoplanet apart from the billions of others in the galaxy is its capability for habitability. Scientists have been greatly surprised by way of the artificial mild emanating from Proxima b, leading them to remember the opportunity that there is wise existence on the planet's nighttime side, and that this civilization might be extra technologically advanced than our personal. How will they be able to research an exoplanet? This is both distant and difficult to discover. Most of you know this, but here is a little primer on the James Webb Space Telescope that makes this feasible. This telescope's principal advantage is its capability to peer via dirt clouds, thanks to its tremendous mirrors with gold coatings, making it the biggest and most powerful telescope ever built. While the infrared light is meditated off those mirrors, its bureaucracy and image, this is beyond our comprehension. The various first exoplanets the JWST will look at is Proxima b, because it gives the nice capacity for detecting extraterrestrial lifestyles. A planet wishes to have conditions just like Earth before life can thrive there. Let's begin by using contrasting Earth with Proxima b to examine extra about its remarkable qualities. The mass of Proxima b is 1.27 instances that of Earth, even as our Sun is 93 million miles away. The Sun of Proxima b is handiest 4.6 million miles away. Notwithstanding being 5% farther from the Sun than Earth, Proxima b is extensively regarded as habitable by using scientists, even though Proxima Centauri is 44,000 instances fainter than the Sun. Scientists accept as true with that water ought to exist at the surface of Proxima b within its livable region. They infer the presence of landforms like mountains on the Earth. The distance among Earth and Proxima b proper now is 4.24 light-years. No matter how a ways it appears from Earth, it's definitely handiest a brief distance away. Presently, Proxima b is tidally locked and moves in sync with the relaxation of the solar gadget, completing a rotation as soon as every 11 days. To position it evidently, there may be continually mild on one facet of Proxima b and general darkness on the opposite. While considered from Earth, the movement resembles that of the Moon. You may now see why this exoplanet is so critical inside the hunt for alien life. Scientists are making superb efforts to stumble on any artificial mild emanating from the surface of Proxima b as part of their studies on the opportunity of extraterrestrial life on the planet. The sort of scientist is Ale, an astronomer from Harvard College, who claims that both the sunlit and dark aspects of Proxima b may be illuminated by man-made light. The light curves of the planet and its big name at the nighttime facet will be calculated with the help of the James Webb Area Telescope. Vivid humans, who have constantly been hidden from view, may be visible now. Many animals on Earth are known to have the capacity to look in general darkness, and on the grounds that this is the most effective affiliation we have with synthetic mild, they'll just be terrestrial animals. Any other issue is the excessive stages of X-ray and UV radiation that reach the bright side of Proxima b. Consequently, the possibility of habitability plummets. However, the possibilities that there's lifestyles there are increasing. The look for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is inspired, in part, by the preference to make new discoveries. Over 20,000 red dwarf stars are being scanned for transmissions, and the Allen telescope, every other effective telescope, is being used for the quest. Any other plot twist in latest years changed into the discovery of a completely unique radio sign emanating from Proxima b, bringing the planet to the vanguard of public awareness. This sign became picked up through a radio telescope in Sydney Park, Australia. Abnormal as it is able to appear, the signal was noticed for almost 30 hours earlier than it diminished away. Every time they angled the antenna far from Proxima Centauri, they lost contact. Every person's fixation on Proxima b can be traced again to this inexplicable, bizarre signal. After all, why shouldn't they be intrigued? This is the very first example of an unknown sign from this species being dispatched to Earth. We should check out Proxima b as an exoplanet without delay. Because of this, scientists plan to dispatch a nanocraft to the scene. Apologies, but no astronaut will make it that some distance with the gear we presently have. In this example, we're speaking about the groundbreaking Starship venture, a $100 million endeavor to install a nanotech-enabled spaceship to the Proxima b device. But it'd have taken a conventional nanocraft an exquisite deal of time to journey that distance. Notwithstanding this, the craft could be projected with lightning-fast lasers. The rate it achieves is best 20% of the speed of mild. In terms of speed, this will be a wholly human advent. This means that we can cut down the time it takes to get there from thousands of years to handiest 2 centuries. Kepler 452b, Kepler 186f, and different exoplanets like them display that Earth-like planets may be observed in the universe and are indeed livable. These are the sole gadgets in our galaxy, out of the quadrillions that could in all likelihood exist, that could harbor life. A 2012 research take a look at indicated that approximately 22% of the celebrities within the Milky Manor are approximately the same length because the solar. Presently, there may be an Earth-sized planet in orbit around such a stars. Is it viable that the 200 billion planets they anticipated can be livable, or are all of them uninhabitable? It's the realization they drew, albeit obviously, there may be still a lot greater to investigate and research. The simplest positive component, approximately area, is that there is constantly room for improvement. Something surprising will continually arise. Seeing that Proxima Centauri is the nearest celebrity to Earth, following its development can be a fascinating journey. What do you reflect on consideration on the likelihood of lifestyles on Proxima b or some other planet available? As the search for extraterrestrial existence maintains to conform, the focal point on exoplanets like Proxima b has sparked growing interest among scientists, astronomers, and the general public. The arrival of advanced telescopes and other area exploration technology has considerably extended our information of the universe and its potential to host existence. The James Webb Space Telescope, as an instance, is designed to seize facts with extraordinary clarity, imparting new insights into remote planets and their atmospheres. Proxima b stands proud due to the fact its miles placed inside the so-known as habitable zone of its megastar, wherein conditions would possibly permit liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Another planet might be a monumental leap forward in humanity's exploration of the cosmos. The question of whether or not life ought to exist on Proxima b isn't absolutely a count of medical curiosity, but one which holds profound implications for humanity's location in the cosmos. If scientists were to find out definitive evidence of alien lifestyles, it might fundamentally alter our expertise of life's ability to exist past Earth. The pleasure surrounding Proxima b isn't handiest approximately the possibility of microbial lifestyles, but the tantalizing concept of a fully advanced alien civilization, potentially with technology some distance surpassing our own. However, to reach any conclusions, it is crucial to maintain the investigation into the conditions of Proxima b, consisting of its surroundings, weather, and capacity biological signatures. The observe of Proxima b offers insight into how planets may broaden on the subject of their stars. Even as it's miles closer to its superstar than Earth is to the solar, its superstar, Proxima Centauri, is a pink dwarf, tons smaller and cooler than our Sun. This indicates Proxima b probable experiences special radiation ranges, gravitational forces, and capability climates compared to Earth. This environment, coupled with the planet's tidal locking, gives unique challenges for maintaining existence, mainly on the darkish side of the planet. But this tidal locking might also create an exciting situation where the terminator area, the boundary among day and nighttime, could offer stable conditions for life, with a mix of heat and protection from the cruel radiation that floods the sunlit aspect. An interesting factor of Proxima b is its potential for having a thick atmosphere that would shield life from radiation, just like Earth's personal protective layers. Scientists consider that if Proxima b has the right atmospheric conditions, it could probably adjust temperatures across the planet, allowing life to thrive in extra favorable environments. The fact that Proxima b lies within the habitable region of its celebrity additionally suggests that water, that is important for life, ought to exist in liquid form, an essential thing in figuring out its capacity to assist biological organisms. No matter the demanding situations posed via the planet's proximity to a crimson dwarf megastar, the look for signs and symptoms of existence maintains. Scientists are investigating whether or not Proxima b should harbor microbial existence or maybe extra complicated organisms. Similarly to seeking out signs and symptoms of synthetic light, astronomers also are examining the planet's surroundings for biomarkers, gases like oxygen, methane, or carbon dioxide, that could imply organic activity. Those gases, while discovered in positive ratios, may want to factor to the presence of life, even though it is microscopic. The look for signs of existence on Proxima b isn't always limited to telescopic observations. Researchers are also examining information from other missions, inclusive of people who explore other exoplanets in similar megastar systems. As astronomers maintain to discover new exoplanets, a number of which may additionally have conditions just like Earth's, the point of interest of the hunt is increasingly more transferring to those which might be maximum in all likelihood to help life. This broadening of scope is crucial because it highlights the significant range of planets inside the galaxy that would be livable, making it much more likely that we are able to, in the end, locate proof of existence someplace else within the universe. One of the most promising tools for detecting extraterrestrial lifestyles is the look for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. SETI entails scanning distant stars for indicators or transmissions that would be produced through advanced civilizations. At the same time as this search has not yet yielded definitive results, latest discoveries, inclusive of the atypical radio sign from Proxima b, have introduced new attention to the possibility of shrewd lifestyles. The truth that Proxima b has emitted an unusual signal adds a layer of intrigue to the continuing quest for alien life. Even though it's nevertheless unsure whether the signal changed into a herbal or artificial starting place, it has spurred renewed hobby inside the exoplanet and has given scientists greater incentive to study it in addition. The position of generation within the look for extraterrestrial existence cannot be overstated. As previously noted, the James Webb Area Telescope represents a first-rate soar forward in our capacity to take a look at distant planets. Its infrared abilities allow scientists to see through cosmic dust and clouds, revealing new details about exoplanet atmospheres, surface compositions, and capacity for habitability. Additionally, it's far providing the maximum unique pics and facts ever captured, helping researchers hit upon key chemical signatures that would point to lifestyles. But the James Webb Space Telescope is simply one piece of the puzzle. Future missions, which includes those that send spacecraft to exoplanets or make use of even more advanced telescopes, will help expand our knowledge of the cosmos. Some other region of full-size interest is the study of biosignatures. Biosignatures are chemical markers that suggest the presence of life. On this planet, for instance, the presence of oxygen in our ecosystem is taken into consideration a biosignature because its miles produced typically by means of vegetation and photosynthetic organisms. Researchers are now searching out similar markers within the atmospheres of exoplanets like Proxima b. This includes looking for particular chemical imbalances that would suggest lifestyles tactics. By studying such signatures, scientists wish to discover evidence of life that could in any other case remain hidden from view. Similarly to the medical and technological aspects, there may be a vital philosophical question on the coronary heart of the search. What does it imply for humanity if we discover alien existence? The invention of life somewhere else might project our expertise of biology, evolution, and possibly even the nature of attention. It'd also spark off a reevaluation of our area inside the universe. Can we percentage commonplace evolutionary paths with different existence forms? Or is existence on this planet a completely unique phenomenon? Would encountering an alien civilization result in cooperation and information exchange? Or ought it result in battle? These are questions that may not have clean solutions, but they are essential to remember as we venture similarly into the unknown. As area exploration continues to push the bounds of human understanding, the hunt to find out lifestyles on Proxima b and different exoplanets is simply the beginning. There are billions of different stars in the galaxy, each with the capacity to host planets that would support life. Whether or not lifestyles on these planets is microbial or greater complex, the look for extraterrestrial existence guarantees to expose new insights approximately the universe and our own origins. As technology advances and our know-how of area deepens, the dream of finding alien life can also in the future emerge as a reality. For now, scientists will continue to take a look at Proxima b and other exoplanets in the wish of uncovering new clues with a purpose to carry us in the direction of answering the age-old question. Are we alone inside the universe? The invention of even the handiest form of life on